Don't miss a beat, join the notification squad by clicking that bell. You'll get notified every time I upload a video, and be sure to join our Discord to talk and get help with your code. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the source code. My name is Deshaun, and today we're going to be just briefly going over in MongoDB how we can find a file and update a value. So I know that I've been really bad lately with making videos, and I'm super sorry. I've had a lot going on as far as work and everything else, school and projects and just a bunch of crap. But we're going to do this real quick. It's going to be a nice and short episode. It's nothing too crazy. I kind of want to take MongoDB a little slower because it does get sort of complicated, so I don't want to sort of muddy up a lot of the videos. So pretty much all we have to do is we have to search, right? So let's just go ahead and just do system.out.println, and let's just say database connected, just so we have that there, just so we can see something visually on our right hand side over here. So in order to find a document, we basically just have to create a document, and remember it's the org.bson document. So we're going to do document, we're going to call this search, and this is going to be a new document, and it's just going to be the values that we are looking for. So we're looking for the name value of Deshaun. All right, and the next thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to do a document for found. Okay, so what we have to do, so this document here is basically just a new document that we're creating, right? But we're using this to find the actual document. I know that doesn't make much sense. And now you could sort of skip this, right? So we could actually just do document found equals collection dot find, and then we could do a new document, and then we can inside of here just do name, and then we could do it this way if we wanted to make this a little bit longer in code. And then we're just going to go first. So we can completely skip over this, like almost 100%, and we can just do documents there. So that is one way. You could do it this way if you wanted to. It doesn't particularly matter. So I guess it's up to you. We'll just leave it as that for now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to say if found does not equal null, we are going to go ahead and do system.out.println found user. So we just want to see if they found a user. So let's just go ahead and see if this finds a user right now. So we're going to run this, and over here, database connected, and we have found the user. Perfect. So what we can do now is inside of here we can create. We need to look it up by a bson value, right? So in order to get a bson value, we have to. There's a couple ways you can do it, but I think this is the easiest way. So you just go ahead and say all lowercase bson. Then we say the new value that we want to update. So we'll say updated value. So this is the value that we want to set it as, right? And this is going to be a new document. Now this is where it gets a little weird, but think of this in the bson with the new document here as just sort of like an identifier, okay? So we're just basically searching, right? So we're searching for a value and we're updating it with something. So in here, we're going to search for the value of age, and we are going to update it to 25. I'm not 25 years old, by the way. And then what we have to do again is we have to call bson again, and we're going to say update operation. And now this is going to be a new document, and in here it's going to be $set in lowercase, and then comma, and then we're going to put in our updated value. So now we have to use this set because that's just the way MongoDB wants it. It's just an identifier to know that you're setting in information into a document that's already existing. So what we can say now is we can say collection.update1, and we would just do found and update operation. Then here, let's go down here and let's just say system.out.println, and we will say user updated. All right, so let's go ahead and export this now. And you can see there user updated, and if we go into our atlas here, it currently is at 21, and now it's at 25. And now you can do this with any value that's in there, right? So it doesn't just have to be the age. I can even change the main name to be Steven, right? So now I can go back, I can run MongoDB main, or Mongo main. And now if I, not Discord, now if I go back to here, you can see the name is now Steven. But now obviously this search of Deshaun is not gonna work, so we gotta change this to Steven, and let's change this back to Deshaun. And so let's just rerun this. Now, a lot of people might think that in order to update one, you need to do it with documents, right? So they might just put the found document, and let's just update this to age, and let's set this to 46, right? So somebody might think, oh, okay, I need to put in the document that I want to change in the document I want to change it with, right? So they'll put updated value, you know, and we'll run this, and then we'll get a giant error, you know, boom, you know, we get this giant error. Well, it's not giant, but we get an error basically that we can't do that. That's not an operation that is allowed. So it has to be in bsum values. As you can see there, it didn't change because we had an error. But if we go back and change this to the way it's supposed to be, and we update this, and I keep clicking that for some reason, and if we go back, oops, I don't think we fixed it. Hold on, go back a little bit further. Did it change from Steven to my name? Okay, it did. So Deshaun, and then we'll update the age to 26. We'll just do 26. We'll run that again. And there we go. And it's back to normal. And now it's updated, and now it should say 26. So that's all I got for you guys today. Like I said, super simple way to update your documents and to get your documents. So come back next time and I'll show you guys how you can get information, and then how we can go ahead and set it and actually use it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.